Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. If you guys can tell, I'm a little burnt right now. Back to work at my summer job where I work, out in the heat, out in the sun all day. Today was my first day back. I worked 10 hours today. I've been home for like 10 minutes, but we got a quick unboxing video. Now, this is not normal unboxing that we usually have. This is unboxing for my clothing brand. I did one of these like last year, like during the summertime, so going on a year ago, for this shirt right here. The name of my clothing brand is FIZZ New York. This was the first official tee that I actually made. This is the cards tee, so show it up close. It's kind of dark, but you guys can see. And it's also on the back as well. This tee released in 4 colors. This royal blue, red, black, and mint green. I have just a little bit of the black. I have 6 tees left. I have 3 black, 2 red, and 1 blue left. And I've had other releases after that, but everything was a pre-order. This was the first tee that released like right away. Like I made them before they released. This drop right here was for the 1-year anniversary. My cousin Michael made the design for me. He made another design for me that is on the website as well. This design is the only time it's dropping ever. Won't restock or anything like that. And the ones I made were ones that people bought. So we're gonna box them here, but what's on the site right now is the Dark Summer collection, which has the Death Race tee, the V1 and the V2, which is the car, has a car on it. There's a blue version, both on black tees, blue car, red car. Then the Death Race sweatpants, which features both of those graphics on one single pair of black sweatpants. Then there's the Death Wish tee, which is the one that was designed by Michael. That is on a white t-shirt. Then there is the Cells hoodie, which I designed, which is obviously on a black hoodie. But now this drop right here just came out like a week or so before this released on April 19th of this year, obviously, which was 1 year ago that I originally started FIZZ. That was the first drop that I had for FIZZ. So birthday tee, 1-year anniversary tee, made by Michael. We're gonna unbox it right now. I make them through Custom Ink. I don't want to stay with Custom Ink forever, but it's just the best place I know right now for quality wise, stuff like that. So until we get super popular, I will be staying with Custom Ink. And for me to expand from Custom Ink and go more local, or even be able to print them myself, obviously FIZZ needs to be a lot bigger than it is right now. But 1 year in, a little over 1 year in, I'd say we're still doing good. Obviously it's still small. It's mainly just like friends and family buying, but you're not going to be able to sell to random people that you don't know if not even your friends and family are supporting the brand. So having your friends and family supporting the brand and buying stuff from the brand is key to sell to other people. Like if your friends and family aren't supporting, then how is someone that you don't even know going to support you? Anyway, I'm done with that little rant, but Custom Ink is where I make the shirts for now. They're good quality, I'd say. Sometimes they're expensive, but the more you order, the cheaper it is, so that's a plus side. But go ahead, crack this open, see what we got inside, see how these came out. Like I said, this design, this is the 1-year anniversary tee, just on a black t-shirt. These were designed by my cousin Michael. Obviously, you guys know Michael. He's been on the channel quite a few times. But ooh, I can see it through the. Sorry, it's dark. I can see it through the box. So we're gonna go ahead. You should be able to come right out. Perfect. Toss the box to the back. As you guys can see, kind of going on right there. So what I'm gonna do is open this up. Got a little note receipt here. All right, guys. Sorry, it's not the best lighting. It's kind of dark outside now, but here is the design. So Michael made this design. So obviously this was for, like I said, the FIZZ 1-year anniversary. So it's a birthday cake, red velvet birthday cake with the FIZZ detailing going. A bunch of different details in this. So obviously start off as a birthday cake, red velvet birthday cake. Inside the birthday cake, obviously red velvet, says FIZZ going across. Even the I in FIZZ is like a little soda can top. FIZZ going across, then go up to the top, just white frosting going around the top, as you guys can see. There's the 1 for obviously 1 year with the fire, the flame, this candle. Just the red, like sprinkles, I guess, on it. Kind of looks like blood in a way. Then the soda can cap, or the top, whatever you call it. Candle coming out of it. Flame right there. Then has like the little crumbs from the cake going around it. Then Fizz 1 year anniversary 4/19/19, so April 19th, 2019 to April 19th, 2020 this year. So the 19th was the first drop that Fizz had last year, and this released 1 year later. And as you guys can see, back up, we got 1, 2, 3. This one was my mom's. 4, 5. These two are for me and Michael. 6, 7. Just sorry, I'm not used to this wide angle camera yet. Ooh, as you guys can see, they're all here. They're all good. They're all sold. Some people already paid for them. Some people still have to pay for them, but they're all sold. Never releasing again. Just do one more up close of the design. Try to flatten it out for you guys so you guys can see it better. That would probably be a good thumbnail right there. I think the design came out very well. Shout out to Michael for doing this for me. And like I said, we got other designs that we're working on. We got that one that's live on the site right now. Go check that out. The Dark Summers collection is live. Go shop up. I got 5 designs on there, like I said. I'll have pictures of them posted at the end of this video. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I'm tired. Gonna go play some Warzone with my friends. Fizz, my clothing brand. Make sure to go check it out. Make sure to show some support. Follow the Instagram, FIZZ New York, right here. Link will be in the description below as well. Go shop up on the website. Like I said, the Dark Summers collection is live on the site. Probably be up there for a few more weeks, so there's still plenty of time. Again, it is a pre-order, so it will take time to get to you, especially with the whole what's going on in the world right now. It might take a little bit longer even after that. So I estimate that it gets to me 2 to 3 weeks usually. Or I think it's within 2 weeks, but then to get out to you guys, if I'm shipping, will be another week and a half at most, maybe longer, like I said, because of what's going on in the world. But make sure to go support, check out the Instagram, check out the website. Even if you don't buy anything, checking out the website, giving a follow, liking some of the posts, commenting on the stuff. And if you do buy, it's even more meaningful to me that you guys are supporting me. But anyway, that is it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Fizz 1 year anniversary tee is out right now. It's gone, can't buy it anymore, but like I said, the Dark Summers collection is live on the site right now. Go shop up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. That's it. Peace.